Welcome back. I know it's been a few days since I put a video out. I do apologize for not having any video of the Cobalana Cub Fest. I got there to the festival, and if it wasn't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all. I didn't even get the tractor off the trailer. I had to come back home and take care of some business. So anyway, I will be there next year, and hopefully I can start getting out and making some of the local events. But I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel, and as always, thank you for the ones who continue to support the channel. It is about 7:10 Tuesday the 19th. Believe it or not, the rain we had, the green beans are full again. My butter beans are full. I've got to pick peppers. I've got okra. My corn is starting to come in. So for the next few days, I'm going to be picking and canning vegetables. And hopefully this weekend I can get back to the shop and do another M video. I'm really excited about getting that one done and being able to ride it and take it to shows and just enjoy it and share it with everyone. The corn is looking really good. I pulled a couple of ears that were ready yesterday. They're not very big ears, but the kernels are full. So, and wasn't a lot of bad spots, or thank goodness, no worms. And a tack cat again. Like I said, they're decent size ears. This one's got a little bit more to go, but they're decent. And we did get a couple off last week, and really good, nice and sweet. So it's full of corn. I'll have a good harvest here in a few days. So, but I just wanted to reach out and let everyone know that thank you for the continued support, and I will be back in the shop as soon as I can. But like I said, for the rest of this week and stuff, I will be canning vegetables. I've got a lot to do, and I'm very grateful for the harvest that was given to me and the continued harvest. So we'll end here for now, and I'm going to get to picking vegetables, and I'll follow up with you guys later. And I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope to see you back in the shop soon. Thanks for tuning in, and have a wonderful day from Old Red Tractors.